What's up, YouTube world? This guy Billy Ball, the phone Philip, back with another video. First of all, I want to thank y'all for giving me the opportunity. Next, I want to thank y'all for the support y'all showing for the channel. It's Monday, June the 9th, and we're back out here on this daily grind. And so what we got going on, I'm walking across here. I did a oil change on a service on a 5525 John Deere tractor this past Friday. And so I got to go dump this oil out of my tank right here. And while I'm out here, I got to grab a hose. So on today's video, we finna prepare to go out here to the John Deere store. We got 3 tractors to try to get detailed in the next few days, get them cleaned up. But got like a storm, look like it want to blow up on us first thing this morning. So I got a few more things that I need to get done to get ready to go out here to wait. So we're gonna do that and watch this weather before we make this move. I just called James and told him to hold up a minute because we right here on the edge of this rainfall. So we're gonna see what we can get done. I ordered some belt for my air compressor. I got the wrong belt, so I'm gonna run over here to Motion Industry and try to get the right, take the new belts that I bought back to try to get the right size, try to get them squared away. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it rolling. So we'll see y'all on the next scene of this video. All right, everybody, we're back in the garage. Just quit raining, so what we finna do, I'm gonna flip the camera around real quick and show you what we got. Right here on this table, we got pipe fitting and hose fitting, connections and all that stuff. We got to get all this stuff with this pipe dope, as they call it, get everything sealed up. So first thing we gotta do before we go to the John Deere store, I gotta transfer this soap over here and that 55-gallon drum over there, and I got some degreaser on the outside. So we're gonna plumb all this stuff up and build these valves and all this stuff so we can pump this stuff in these tanks on this truck out here. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get some cameras running on time lapse so y'all enjoy this music, watch. So I'm just simplifying everything. I started this video a few weeks ago before I went out and helped my neighbor plant this crop. So now I'm gonna get back on taking care of my business. So that's what we gotta do before we get moved out there, so it'll be easy. So we're gonna go out there and watch these 3 tractors. And once we get done, I got a lot of more stuff I gotta do to that trailer. I got pumps over here on the floor. They got demounted hose reel for the diesel tank. So we got a lot of work to do. So this is what we got going on, but I got to get this done so I can have everything that I needed. I got on the job site for this week. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Next thing we finna work on, we got this pump here. We're gonna cut this end off. We got a female quick connect that we're gonna put here. We're gonna get this and put this on. And we're gonna keep on moving. And then once we get that squared away, we got a couple more pieces over here that on the table we're gonna put together. I'm gonna throw all this stuff together real quick, but I was just giving y'all a little quick view on what we're doing right now. All right, everybody, back to the next part of the video. So what we got a new ignition switch here for this washer. We had trouble out of this one with losing power to my electric clutch. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it out real quick while I wait on James. Then after I get through changing this switch out, I'm gonna back this trailer over there and we'll go ahead and pump this soap and degrease off in the tank and we'll be ready to roll. So y'all stay tuned and let's get with it. All right, everybody. Got the new harness in. So right now, I got some of these soldering butt connectors right here. So I got my little lighter here. We're gonna heat this up real quick and get this fixed up real good. So check this out. All right, everybody. So what that did, that just welded all that stuff together. Got a little bit of like solder in here, in the middle right here of this quick connect here. And so it pretty much welded these wires together with this heat. So what we got that taken care of, and we're gonna move on to the next part of the video. So y'all stay tuned and we'll be right back. All right, everybody, let me show y'all back on the next part of the video. So right here, I got the pump set up, and right now we are filling these tanks. And on this side, this is wash and wax, and we just filled up with the degrease on this side. We got about 27 gallons of degrease, and I don't know how much soap we gonna have, but we just simplified the job. We got, well, we ain't out here carrying these 5-gallon buckets anymore. So we're gonna keep on letting that thing roll, and we gonna head out here to Wade, and we'll pick the video back up out there.
Well, anything can help.
Yeah.
You been hit a bump, pothole, or something.
Work too hard to get all this stuff from like that. So yeah, like I said, I know the weight, but you know what I'm saying, just keep the strap right there. That they job.
How long more weight you think you add on?
All right, everybody, we're on the move. We're headed to the John Deere place to get ready to start watching on these tractors get set up. So when we get there, get everything set up, we'll pick up a video, show you what we got going on, and we'll go from there. So y'all stay tuned and enjoy this ride. All right, everybody, just made it to the John Deere place, and gotta go get everything moved around. We got our Challenger MT 755D tractor. We gotta get moved around real quick. Go over here and get y'all a walk down on this New Holland tractor. It's a New Holland PowerStar 100 tractor, so it's pretty nasty. Got to show a lot of love. Floors and stuff nasty. We're gonna get it here and gut it out. Outside, pretty dirty. So we finna go ahead and get together, get everything started. So y'all stay tuned and y'all enjoy this little time left and everything. And we'll get to a good stopping point, get everything set up. We'll pick the video right back up from there. All right, first thing we do when we come in here dealing with these new Holland tractors, first thing we're gonna come in here and pull the flow mat out. James already come in here with the vacuum cleaner. That's the vacuum hose over there. The vacuum the flow out. And so now I'm gonna take my Allen wrench and take these plates off, and we'll pull the flow mat out of here. And after that, the next thing we found out about these new Holland tractors, to make things a whole lot easier on the inside, we're gonna pull this seat out of here. So we'll grab the seat out next, and James, he's hooking up the steamer over there, getting it hooked up, ready to roll. And while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and let the bucket up on the front. We start taking these shields off, start prepping the outside. I start laying out these hoses, hooking up water and all this stuff, catching water, so we can get ready to roll. So they give me an update where we at on this thing so far, and we'll pick it right back up here shortly. James over there working on the inside, so I'm finna start watching these flow mats and stuff off. So check this out. I'm gonna set this camera down and show you the neat thing why I upgraded the trailer the way that I did, is putting this valve on these soak tanks and thing. So flip the camera around real quick and show you what we got. There's the nice thing about this right here. I can come in here and just crack this valve and get some soap. Cut it off. Just like that. Then weighs none. I ain't wrestling with a 5-gallon bucket trying to get it out of there. And works real good. So that's what we got going on. So I'm gonna get ready to set this wash up, get a foam gun going, and go ahead and wash this mat over here on this crate. We moving. It's just a slow process, and we'll see y'all in the next scene. Well, everybody, it's 5 o'clock, and we're gonna shut this video down and end it right here. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. We out. We got old Kyle back in the background. Hi. Now we finna go. We finna get out of here.